How to delete your Snapchat account. Open a Snapchat application and tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Now on this profile feed, tap on gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. While you reach on the settings page, you have to scroll all the way down. Under support, you need to tap on I need help. And on the search bar, tap on it and tap on delete my account. So here it is written that to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account, you have to follow the steps below. So this will deactivate an account for 30 days, during which time the account will be still reactivate. After 30 days, the account will be permanently deleted. So in order to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account on Android or the web, you have to log in to the Snapchat accounts portal. So and after that you have to tap delete my account, input your password and tap to confirm account deactivation or deletion. So let's log into Snapchat accounts portal. So on this Snapchat portal, you have to enter your username or email, or you can also use phone number instead and tap on next button. So once you have logged into your Snapchat account portal, this page will appear where you have to tap on delete my account button. And here on this page again, you have to enter your username and the password. So once you have tap on continue button, your deletion process will continue. So after 30 days your account will be deleted if you do not log in again. So let's click on password and enter the password of our account. Now tap on continue button. So our account has been successfully deactivated. So you have to wait for 30 days, but you do not need to reactivate. If you reactivate your account, then your deletion process will not be continued. So you should not reactivate and wait for 30 days. And after 30 days, your account will be successfully deleted on Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.